How to add cinematic black bars in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, open any of the browser. Now you have to search for a black bar picture. So type in black bar PNG. Now tap on this option of images. Now from here you can choose any of the picture of your choice. After you download the picture, now you can open your CapCut. Now select the video in which you want to add cinematic black bars. After you select the video, at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Tap on the option of overlay. Tap on add overlay. Go to the photo section. Now select the picture that you have just downloaded. Now fit in this picture. From here you can adjust the black bar part for the video. Here I'm gonna apply black bar to whole video. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Tap on the option of cutout. Tap on chroma key. Now tap over here. With that, you're gonna get this option of intensity and shadow. Tap on it. Now increase both of these to the fullest. After you do that, your video will be ready. So this is how you can add cinematic black bars in CapCut. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.